government's K+12 program is not only intended to add 2 years of schooling in our educational system. More importantly, it is designed to enhance the basic education curriculum and produce more competent Filipino graduates whose skills are at par with global standards. The K+12 is now on its second year. For those unable to go into formal schooling, the government under the Philippine Development Plan also has an education program for them. Let's find out from Dina Pagibitan.
While some 23 million students are in school this year, there are many others who cannot afford formal education. Poverty prevents them from pursuing formal schooling. Under the Philippine Development Plan or PDP, poverty will not be a barrier for the youth to pursue their dream for quality education. The PDP provides education for all. A program under the PDP is the Alternative Learning System or ALS, wherein mobile teachers and volunteers go to barangays and teach Filipinos of any age for free. Many residents of far-flung areas lack money and time to spend for formal education. ALS classes are often done in barangay halls, churches, or any learning centers.
Ang disadvantages yan dahil titingnan natin yung sitwasyon ng mga taong ito. Kung may taong may kakayanan, ba't ka naman papasok dito? Dalhin mo rito sa formal na sistema dapat.
Meanwhile, assessment will be done by mobile teachers, and the students who are ready will undergo accreditation and equivalency examination. If they pass, they will be given diplomas to enter high school and college levels. Regular attendance of out-of-school Filipinos is the only problem the ALS is facing. DepEd encourages out-of-school citizens to participate in ALS classes for free education.
Ang ating kagawaran ng edukasyon ay mayroon pong alternative learning system. Hinihikayat po natin ang lahat na sumali po rito, makipag-ugnayan po sa aming mga school division offices, sa ating punong barangay, at alamin kung ano po ang ibig sabihin po nito at kayo po makakaasa na ang ating kagawaran ng edukasyon ay pupunta po sa inyo upang maibigay, mabigyan po kayo ng pagkakataon na matuto sa pamamagitan po nitong alternative learning system.
For the People's Television, Dina Pagibitan.